Creating and formatting a report. Hello there. Today we are going to learn about creating a report in MS Access 2016 using any table or query in a database. A report helps you to present the data in a format that can be printed. Let's begin. Let's first launch the Access 2016 application and open the document that we are going to work on. Notice the items listed on the left navigation pane. It contains a table and a query with respect to all information about employees in a store. Let's convert the query data in a printable format by using Report object. Open the query from the navigation pane. Go to Create tab. Click on the Report option in the Report group. Look, a report gets created. By default, this report is in the Layout view. Other than this view, there are 3 more views available on the View option located on the Design tab. Once the report has been generated, click on Save option on the Quick Access toolbar. In the dialog box, enter name and click OK. Observe carefully. The report gets added to the navigation pane. We can give our report an interesting look by formatting it. 4 new tabs gets added to the ribbon when a report is created: Design, Arrange, Format and Page Setup. Of these, Design and Format tabs have options to format a report. Go to Format tab on the ribbon. From Selection group, click on Select All option. From the background color list, choose a desired color. Moreover, we can even modify the background color of each field separately. See, now our report looks so attractive. Wasn't that interesting? Do practice this in your lab sessions. Thank you.